Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a new user in Moodle. This is an essential task for administrators who need to manage user accounts for students, teachers, and other staff. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to the User Management section. In the left-hand menu, click on Site Administration. Click on Users. Then click on Add a new user. Now, let's add the new user by filling out the required details. Username. Enter a unique username for the new user. New password. Click Unmask to enter a password for the user. Make sure to create a strong password. Check this box if you want the Moodle to generate password to the users. Users will receive an email with regards to their user account. First name. Enter the user's first name. Surname. Enter the user's last name. Email address. Enter a valid email address for the user. Additional profile settings, optional. City, town. Enter the user's city or town. Country. Select the user's country from the drop-down menu. Description. Add a brief description or bio for the user. Upload user picture. If you have a profile picture for the user, you can upload it here. Once you have entered all the required information, it's time to save the new user. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Create User to save the new user account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a new user in Moodle. This process is essential for managing user accounts and ensuring that everyone has access to the resources they need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.